everyone, I'm Maricha Petrosky. Don't forget to visit our website for more recipes. For today's video, we are going to make Masi or glutinous rice balls. In a parchment-lined baking sheet, put 2 ounces of raw and unsalted almonds, cashews, peanuts, and walnuts. Scatter them nicely in toast for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees oven. 10 to 12 minutes later, remove the mixed toasted nuts from the oven. Allow cooling for 15 minutes. I will grind them into fine texture using my chopper. You may also use mortar and pestle or a storage bag and a heavy object found in your kitchen. Transfer the ground up nuts into a medium-sized bowl. It's okay to find larger pieces here and there. Then add half a cup of dark brown sugar. Mix well to combine and cover, then set them aside for later. I am rinsing a ply of banana leaf with soap and water. I will be using this as a wrapper for my glutinous rice balls. If using some, make sure to dry them out on both sides with a kitchen cloth. Do not air dry them. Instead, cover them right after to keep their luscious green color. Heat the banana leaf over low heat with the smooth side down. The wilted leaf will turn glossy and will become pliable, so they can be cut, shaped, or molded easily. They also become aromatic when heated. If not in use, cover them at all times to prevent them from turning brown. To make the dough, combine a cup of glutinous rice flour. I prefer using mochiko flour, a tablespoon of the rice flour, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then pour 1 cup of coconut milk. Give it a good mix to combine. This time, I will use my hand to form a dough. The mixture will be sticky at first. Continue to mix and knead for 10 to 12 minutes or until the dough ball forms. Then make smaller dough balls weighing an ounce. Roll and flatten them with your hands into 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Place them into parchment-lined baking sheet. Now let's boil 1 to 2 quarts of filtered water over high heat. When it boils, carefully lower the tiny disc of dough into the boiling water. Lower a disc at a time and do not overcrowd. Boil them until they start floating to the top. As soon as they float, cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes before transferring into a bowl with ice-cold water. Soak for 30 seconds to a minute. Transfer them into a parchment paper-lined sheet. Go ahead and brush a tiny amount of olive oil on both sides. This will make the cooked dough less sticky and easy to work with. Place a saran wrap on a flat surface. Put a cooked dough, roll it with a wrapped rolling pin so it doesn't stick. Flatten the dough into 1/8 or 1/16 inch thick. Must be wide enough to put 1 to 2 teaspoons of the nuts filling. Carefully lift with the plastic to seal on all sides and gently press and twist to seal completely. You may keep the glutinous rice balls in plastic, or if using banana leaf, use the thinnest part of the leaf. Carefully wrap the masi with the smooth side up. Arrange them vertically next to each other to keep the leaf in place. And there you have it, my Masi recipe or glutinous rice balls. Best if consumed the same day when freshly made. Enjoy!